So over here, if I were to go around and open up this particular site, you can see that I have this particular site running. So let's say what I want to do is I want to customize it. In that case, what I can do is I can go around onto appearance right here and then go to customize. But once I do that, you can see that I actually have very little options right here. Like for example, I can set the site identity, I can set the homepage settings and so forth right here. So let's just go around onto site identity, let's say for example, and then change around the site title to, let's say for example, YouTube sample paste right here, just like this, and it immediately changes it out, as you can see right here on the header and the footer section. Similarly, I can go ahead and add in a tagline. Let's say for example, I'm going to say keep on learning right here. So depending on the template, you can see that it shows up right here but not on the top, and you can see this is a real-time like update. You can also select a site icon right here. So let's just go ahead and select out a file, let's say for example, and from the list of files that I have, let me just select out my particular image right here and click on select. Let's just crop the image right here just like this by importing it, and it's cropping, as you can see right here. And once you do that, that has been added in as well. So like I said, depending on the template, it'll actually show the logo or not. In my case, you can see no logos because it is not there as a part of that particular template. So that is how you can go ahead and then add in site identity as you like inside of wordpress.com using the customizer. You can go ahead and save the changes right here as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.